Aston Manor Coaches has enhanced its workshop capabilities with the purchase of a mobile brake tester and a set of T8 DC cable-free mobile column lifts, helping to maintain the highest standards of fleet safety, reliability, and efficiency. The Birmingham-based operator, which provides coach and minibus hire services across the UK and Europe, has invested in the latest workshop technology to support its growing fleet and streamline maintenance operations. The mobile brake tester allows Aston Manor Coaches to carry out compliant brake testing in-house, reducing vehicle downtime and eliminating the need for fixed installation. Complementing the brake tester are Totalkare's T8 DC cable-free mobile column lifts. Offering 7,500 kilograms lifting capacity per column, the wireless system provides a flexible and safe solution for servicing and inspecting coaches, while eliminating the trip hazards associated with traditional cabled lifts.